Alright, this is Spencer and I'm in my little grotto here, and today we're going to see what it takes to build a computer. So I'm going to start off with a Barebones PC. A Barebones PC is a computer that has some parts in it but not everything, so then you can pick and choose what you want. So let's just open this up, clip it at the sides here, down the middle one time. Alright. Now this is a Barebones PC from GIGABYTE, so the quality is going to be pretty good. Now we see different companies, they will include different things. GIGABYTE includes keyboard with Barebones PC. I guess I'll set that up there. And then we take out, oh, there's also keyboard and mouse. And we take it out, see what it looks like here. See, we've got the main case and everything. Now, and power cord. It's always important. Get the juice to the computer. So let's get rid of this this box, and we see there we've got basic PC. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to take this and I'm going to build it with an AMD Athlon 2 X2 240 processor, and we have Patriot memory, 2 gigabytes of memory, RAM there, and I have a Seagate Barracuda 3.5-inch 500 gigabyte hard drive, which will be plenty of storage for the operating system and all the files, and an LG Super Multi DVD writer. So I'm going to open up and show you what is included in a Barebones PC. Alright, we've got the case open, we've got the PC laying on its side. Now, just to talk a little bit about what a Barebones PC is. Barebones PC includes, the most important part of course is the motherboard. That's where you put your RAM in here and you put your processor here. And also includes power supply and of course the case. So this is the most basic of Barebones PC's setup. It allows you to select the processor you want. Let's say you want to go with something super powerful, maybe you want to do overclocking or anything really. Usually Barebones PCs they're purchased in bulk by system builders. Let's say, oh, I'm a system builder and I want to build a computer for, I have a contract with some schools or maybe a government agency. Now the next thing we're going to do is we've got the AMD Athlon 2 X2 240, and it's rated at 2.8 gigahertz. The one thing to notice on the processor, let's try and get it up close like that, is the little corner down here. That will help you out as you line it up. Okay, we've got the processor right here, and as I mentioned before, there's the little corner there. It makes it very easy to line up. And down here we have the corner, the little arrow is on this side. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it like this. First you need to open up, it's very important. First you need to open that up. Okay, and stick that in, and it's a little bit magnetized as well. It fits in there nice, perfect. Close it down, locks. Now your processor is installed. Okay, now that the processor is installed, we've got the cooler. It's very basic AMD cooler. And the one thing to note is that you have the thermal paste that's already installed. This is kind of feels like a glue-like substance that allows the heat to be dissipated across the entire heat sink. So we have these little latches here on either side, on both sides. And just to make sure where they plug in, just put it down here like this. Okay, just set it on there nice and easy. This is the latch side, so put the other side on first, and then stick that down, and then just latch it down like that, and you can feel it's nice and tight. There's a little bit of wiggle room, but that's just because of the paste, the thermal paste. So we know our processor is installed, and now our cooler is installed. And here is the RAM module, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It's plenty fast enough to do any type of word processing, obviously, or even Photoshop, or if you're doing hardcore video editing, you probably want more than 2 gigabytes of RAM. But this computer, by the way, is for my friend's father, so he's just going to be doing basic word processing and email and whatnot. One thing to notice is that this side is a little bit longer than this side, so it makes it quite easy to stick it into the DIMM slots right here. Now what you want to do is you want to open these up like this. Okay, okay, you see how these are nice latched open like that, and then you'll stick this in like, it's a little tight, whoops, yeah, get it in there to match. Okay, and then you push in while you push down. Okay, let's do it again. Just now, and it pops up. Okay, push down, push on the sides. Watch again. Okay, pops up a little bit. Take it out like that. Line it up. Push down. There you go.